So how is a corporation formed? Generally, a corporation is a state entity. Okay. So the state secretary of state's office puts forth the requirements for an individual to file for or request a corporate charter. This is generally done through an application called putting in the articles of incorporation or filing the articles of incorporation. And these articles request a corporate charter from the state whereby the state recognizes that this separate entity, this corporation exists. Okay. Now, the process is fairly similar with every Secretary of State's office. You have to pick a name for the corporation. It has to be something that hasn't been taken before. And you have to include in that name Inc. or LTD or Incorporated, et cetera, at the end of the name to allow individuals to determine that this is a corporation. It's not a partnership or it's not a limited liability or company or some other form of entity. Okay, the name is reviewed. It can't be deceptively similar to other names, or it could give rise to a legal action by an individual who has a similar name. Okay, you have to put forth the name and address of the individual who is incorporating, the incorporator of the business. You have to put forward the names of the owners of the business, right? The people who will be the shareholders immediately after formation of the business. Generally have to indicate where your primary place of business will be, because it is very important that the Secretary of State have a direct line of communication with the corporation where they can send official notices, et cetera. And then you have to pay a filing fee. And by and large, that's all that's required. Some states may require the corporation to state its purpose and state how long it will last, but most states have done away with this now, so you don't have to actually state your intended purpose. You say for any purpose, and the corporation by default lasts into perpetuity until the individual owners wish to dissolve it. Okay, so by and large, that's the creation process.